the other platforms. Okay, sweet. We're good. We're gonna start this. Yo, if you guys can like the live as well, let's get it to, I don't know, 100. I'm liking it on my phone. I think I just got it to 100. No, I didn't. Can you do like 5 fingers at once? Does that count as like a bazillion likes? Apparently I only sent 85. Oh, sweet, we're on 200. Let's go. At this rate, we could get 1,000. I think this 500. Oh, there's like a little bar you can see. I've never actually liked this much, so I've never... And then what happens when you fill up the bar? Nothing? Oh, it's like a max fill? Or... No, it's getting more. 144. That's pretty cool. How many do we get? 648. Oh, we're close. Whoa, it reset for me. Oh, no. It just briefly showed 0. Okay. So close. 980, 990. Yeah, 1,000 likes. Thanks so much, guys. All right. AutoGPT 0.0, 0.4, 0.3. We are seeing if it can make Snake in we'll just do Python. I think these language models do the best with Python, or at least. Can I change my color here? I'm very orange today. I have a really warm light on me. But okay, no, it's gonna keep my color like that. That's fine. No big issue. We accept all colors. And yeah. All right, press enter to continue. Should we read this? See what's new. We're happy to announce 0.4.3 maintenance release, which primarily focuses on refining the LLM command execution using OpenAI's latest models. Oh, and another thing, guys, I have GPT-4 access now on the API. So this should mean that this runs a lot better than last time I tested it as well. So that's pretty exciting. I'm just gonna make a window here so people instantly know what's going on if they join the chat. And it's gonna say heading 1, getting Auto-GPT to build Snake. That's it. That's all it's gonna say. Let's go. Enter to continue. I want AutoGPT to build a Snake game using Python. Very simple prompt, not very sophisticated. Oh, so it comes up with its own name. Interesting. Before you had to name the bot, but now in 0.3.4.3, I keep messing up the name. It comes up with its own name for the bot based on your prompt, and I guess its own role as well. It's an AI game developer. That's good. I don't like writing big ass sophisticated prompts. I want to just be like build Snake, and it to be like, okay, I'm an AI game developer that specializes in creating interactive and engaging games using Python. It is skilled in building various types of games, including the classic Snake game, and can assist you in developing your own version of the game. Awesome. Here are the goals that it's come up with. Provide a step-by-step guidance and support. Sorry, I had to resize this. I don't know at what like resolution would be best and what dip, because like eventually I want to crop this for Twitter. So I mean to TikTok. So just making sure that it would be easy to crop. So like it's easiest when, because TikTok's very vertical, so it needs to be quite narrow. But I know that might make it harder for other people. But Mars says GitHub Copilot can create snake. Amazing. Oh, sweet. Yeah. I think like GitHub Copilot would actually be probably the best code generating one. You'd think, right? Okay. What are its goals? Offer suggestions for best practices, assist in troubleshooting, understand concepts, encourage creativity. What about actually building it? I should start by providing step-by-step guidance on how to build it. No, I want you to build it. It wants a query snake game Python tutorial. Yeah. Um Interesting. Should we get it to just copy code off the internet? Is that something it could do? That's not a bad idea. Okay. I think we can just authorize the command. Look at the likes. All right, let's see how many likes we got. Yo, 4.8K. Fuck yeah, guys. Thank you so much. Can you put the GitHub for AutoGPT in Discord? Yeah, easy. Easy. Apparently I pronounced this name wrong. Gravitas. That's my attempt. My latest attempt at pronouncing it. But yeah, there it is. The link's in the Discord. Okay. So what happened? It searched the internet. Blah blah blah. That's the vomit of what the internet came up with. Based on the search, suggest using browse site to access one of the tutorials, one of the results. Sure. Okay, so it goes to the site with the question. Oh no, it's also asked a question. Has it? Would you like to access Python tutorial on building a snake game? Okay, no, let me read this. Plan, use browse site to access the tutorial, follow the tutorial, provide guidance and support. Can I be like browse to site and start creating the necessary files as per the tutorial? Let's see if we can handle that. To start creating the necessary files, I can use execute Python code. Yeah, nice. So now once you use execute Python code, file name equals snakegame.py, code snippets from the tutorial as a comment. Did it browse first? No, it didn't browse. First, browse to this site and get the code. You have to really hold its hand here. Okay, now it's going to do browse site with the question. Why does it keep asking that question? I don't know. We'll just authorize this time. Maybe that question doesn't matter. Yo, reopen stream. Yes, sorry, I turned the TikTok stream off twice because it wasn't rendering properly, but now it is. So yeah. Mars board. What should they code? I don't know. Something that excites you. Think about what you'd be rather doing instead of coding, and then code that. Okay. Browse returned error string. Object has no LLM model. What? Fast LLM model. Oh, this is an issue. Whoa. Okay, this is the template. Good. Okay, I have a feeling this might be something I didn't configure in here. So I put my API key in. Oh, and also execute local commands is false. I need to change that if I want it to run code and stuff. And what else? Restrict the. Okay, so there's a lot of. I can go through these one by one and not open the end file. Let's do that. Anteva says, will AI take jobs such as full stack web developing and video editing? I think those jobs are safe for the next 2 years at least. At least. After that, it's really hard to tell. Like, humans aren't great at predicting future past a couple years, I'd say. I don't know. At least I'm not. So yeah, I think it's more of like a useful tool for full stack developers and video editors at the moment. And I foresee it to be like that for the next 2 years. But yeah. Time to code a gaming AI to game for me. Yes, that's essentially hacks. But yeah, I was imagine a game where I mean it already exists, but like that didn't disallow bots. That's how I was trying to design my online game. It's like instead of making all these tools to beat like bots and hackers, ban bots and hackers and get them off your platform, you design your game such that like humans and bots can like play and the humans still have fun. Look at the likes again. Okay. 5K, let's go. Nice. Thank you. It doesn't give me notifications when you're liking them anymore. Maybe it's like when someone new likes it. I don't know why I don't get them. I'm making a cloud POS system and I'm stuck. Could I find some inspiration? Yeah, ask ChatGPT or in my Discord or here. It's all about asking the right questions. Because I want to learn this path. Yeah. I wouldn't worry. Like, just go follow your passions and, well, like, interests. I don't think AI taking your job will. Like, you'll still be learning a lot of great skills. I feel like those won't go to waste. Video editing or full stack development. Try to like see the skills that would be like transferable, like problem solving and logic and asking the right questions. And because I felt like in my first years of as a software developer, it was all about how to Google. Like if you could figure out how to find your problem in a way that Google will give you the right answer, which is like as a software engineer at that time was easy because it's just so much code and Stack Overflow. It's even easier now with ChatGPT and stuff, right? So yeah, I think it's a great time to start because it's so easy. Okay. Um, yes, these configs. All right, I'm going to turn local command execution to true. I might a weird spell. Hold on. Yeah, literally, ChatGPT fixed this error, and now that they have code interpretation, it'll be even easier for it to do that. Literally, Wolverine is out of business with that. Wolverine.py. No, I'm sure they're a lot better now, and they'll keep competing. Define the user agent AI settings file. There's an AI settings file? What the flip? Hey, yo, it created this. Yo, that means we can change this. That's pretty cool. Plugins config. Okay. Wait, what? Plugins config YAML. There is no plugins config YAML. Where's like the fast LLM? That's what we got here. 3.5 turbo. We couldn't find 3.5 turbo? Where was the error? Here. Object string has no attribute fast LLM model. Why is that bugged? Could it not browse site? Try browse site again. Yes. If this doesn't browse site, I'm giving up. Yeah, okay, that's it. AutoGPT fail. D rank. E2B is too good. Where's this tier list? Where's my tier list? Oh, I should have pinned it in Discord. Did I pin it? Search tier list. This one. Hit. All right, we're adding AutoGPT. Smol developer, yeah. I should mention that as well. It's Smol developer hosted on E2B. No, it didn't make the Snake game, but it made the. Oh, you mean originally? No, what was the example from? Was it Smol developer? No, it was GPT Engineer, and we could revisit that as well. It got close, but I think Smol developer was awesome because it didn't cost me anything, and they're hosting it for free. And before I didn't have GPT, I should probably try GPT Engineer. Again, because now I have GPT-4 access. It's amazing. You think it's going to be better than? Let's try both of them. Let's do both of them. I'll put at the moment I'll put AutoGPT in like nah, it's a tough one, but it's probably C. Oh, I feel bad because it had so much hype and it's what started everything. But I feel like I don't know. I don't know. I feel bad. Can we put it in the middle? Yeah, it takes so long to set up. That's the thing. It's just like it's not easy to set up. It didn't work. No, okay, yeah. It makes sense. C tier. It's well deserved C tier. Okay, we're gonna do. Here's what we're doing now. We're gonna do auto. We're gonna do. We're gonna do Smol. We're gonna We're gonna. You're right. It is Smol developer. Smol developer versus GPT Engineer GPT-4 version. Heading 2, Who can build snake game? The thing is, the issue is with snake game versus something else is like for these agents is they have like no way to test it properly. Whereas if it was like returning text, they could test it really easily. Yeah. Yeah, they just have to get better, honestly. They just have to adapt. It's like a rule number one in everything in life, you know? Survival of the fittest. Okay. I want to write small developer in glowing just so that's how much we like it, you know? Is that what am I how do I change the font? Oh, here we go. Small developer on E2B. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Delete. Okay. What do we try first? E2B? E2B.dev, small developer. Try now. The workflow with this was so good because it makes a PR. You can create a repository. Small snake. It just feels so good, you know? Deploy. Boom. 3 clicks. Just the flow is so good. 17K likes? No. For me, it says 5K on the stream. Oh, you're talking about the project? Small developer? Wait, what are you talking about? TikTok. Really? I have mine stuck on 5.5K. Look, can I show it? I don't know if you can see it. This is so the green screen won't let it happen. Someone's botting the live to like it. Nice. Shout out my software engineering um follow base or my cybersecurity followers. Dude, they like try to DDoS my one of my web apps successfully, and we run up my AWS bill to like $170. Um. Okay. AI developer who's trying to code Snake. I mean, it didn't actually say that, but okay, that's just their persona. They saved the file. Snakegame.py, that's it. Is it finished? No, it's still running. Okay. These are the files it's going to create. SnakePy, game config, game objects, game logic. Awesome. Let's have a look at SnakePy. Snakegame.py, sorry. Game init, display set. Yep, using Pygame. It's looking good. I'm telling you, it's S tier. It's the only S tier for a reason on the tier list. Where? Oh, I lost the tier list again. It's the only S tier for a reason. Why is my computer making a lot of noise? CPU's at 3%. Don't know, fam. Name? You can do it with a click of a button using a website. What? DDoS? Or run up the likes? Let me rejoin the live to make sure. Oh, this is the second file it created. Game objects py. Yeah, see, no, actually, even on my TikTok studio, look, it says 5,000 likes. Oh, 17,000. Was that just you, Nick? You clicked it a whole 12,000 other times. So it only says it on your stream that you've clicked it 17,000 times. AI improve like Skynet. Um, yeah, if we give it access to all of those things. Actually, I'm not too familiar with the term Skynet. Like, what is its capabilities? Like the actual definition. Oh, it's from Terminator. I haven't seen Terminator. This is too much information. But yeah, I don't like. I'm not too worried. It's definitely a possibility, definitely. But like, I feel like it's not very realistic. Ask GPT to make it a one-line sentence. Yeah, no, that's a great idea. Responsible for initiating nuclear war and attempting to exterminate humanity. Yeah, definitely possible, but I don't think we're gonna give like I don't think we're gonna make it very easy for anyone to be able to access these nuclear weapons. And wanting to exterminate humanity. Like a lot of people, I see AI as like a tool at the moment, and not really one that like generates its own intentions. But it's like someone could make a tool that generates its own intentions. But it's not like the people that hold the like weapons have made enough defense systems to like make it not easy for bad actors to be able to create these things to initiate nuclear war. Now, the thing is, if the bad actors are the people that actually hold the weapons currently, that's another question. I'd be more worried about nuclear weapons as a weapon than AI as a weapon. It's like, what if, you know? I don't know. What I really thought was going to happen was Elon Musk was right. I think Elon Musk is a very smart man, and he's, done a lot of smart things. But I think I'd like, you know, I don't know about the whole apocalypse AI thing. What are the specs of your PC? It's like a 2080 Ti i9. It was like top of the line and like top of the line, like 20. I want to say very end of 2019 or early 2020. What about get virus? Oh, if Elon Musk cyber chip gets planted and your brain gets hacked. Yeah, well, then again, it's like just like your phone, it's what do you give it access to? If your brain gets hacked and like the only thing that changes is like, I don't know, like what does it access? Like those neurons? Like how I'm imagining those chips to work, it's like they just read, they don't write. So it's not like it's going to change how your neurons fire. It's just not going to be able to like take action based on your neurons that are already firing in the same way or not. Kind of like listening to your voice and how your phone um is listening to your voice. But if your phone gets a virus, it's like you can still use your voice, but your phone won't do the right thing. Yeah, it's all about what you give it access to. Or how it can also gain access maliciously. That's also the thought. I think that's what Elon's coming from. It's like, sure, what if your phone can suddenly access your, I don't know, bank account, you know? I think there's still systems in place. If like anyone accesses your bank account, like you'll be able to tell if it's a fraudulent thing. Okay, it's finished. It's made a pull request. That small snake. How cool is that? And now we can review its code through GitHub, just like any senior dev would do, right? Mar has a 4080. Hell yeah. That'd be good. To be honest, I haven't really done any local stuff with my GPU. I used to game, but I've stopped for productivity reasons. Sweet. Got all the files. I can't be bothered reading them. Um, does it actually provide instructions? No. Guess that's one thing. Actually, GPT Engineer was like that too. All right, well, let's just try it, I guess. Let's just try the code. We'll push the changes. Actually, we don't even need to, right? Oh, whatever, we will. Bro, as a student, I have a question. Do I need a bachelor's degree to get a job? No, you definitely don't need one. It could help for sure. It'll definitely help. But, if you have like the skills and another way to prove it without a bachelor degree, then it shouldn't matter. I'm sure some hiring people would, it matters to them, but it shouldn't. They're just stuck in their old ways. Okay, let's clone this. Small snake. I need to clean up this folder. I got so much stuff. Can I just run this? It would be good if it created the README file as well. That would be amazing. That would be so good. Actually, that's a good feedback. Snake game. Cannot find FPS from game config. What's FPS? Hmm? Cannot import game FPS. Is that in here? Oh, here. Oh, it's hallucinated FPS. All right, we might have to brush up. Look, I'll give it a little bit of help. Stuff like that, like importing something that doesn't exist, sure. Let me just fix that bug for you. But it should be fixing the bugs itself. It should be running the code. That's minus points for Smol developer. But actually, that's the thing. They never say to do that. They say to like consider them more as of a like boilerplate. Boilerplate creation code, man. I'm getting tired with these words. All right, which file was that in? Snakegame.py. All right, I've removed FPS. What's the error now? Snake color from game config. Where is that? There's a lot of hallucinating. Snake color. Wow, in 2 places, but it just doesn't exist in game config. Should we make it? Snake color. Okay. Food color. Okay. Background color. Luckily, they've just had these all here waiting for me. Score color. Dude, why have they defined everything like this? I mean, I guess it makes it easier. Game over? What is that? Oh, it's defined before, reference before assignment. In which file? Snakegame.py. How do you do false? Okay. Surely. Oh my god, still errors. Move snake needs direction? What? Where is that defined? Hmm. We'll just hard code a direction. Up. Man, this is a lot of stuff I've had to do. It's too much stuff, dude. This has barely done anything. But if it could just reiterate on itself, that would be good. Dude, we could combine E to B and Wolverine. What? Could you imagine that? That would be pretty cool. Let's check that out. Wolverine pie. What you guys been saying on the chat? Sorry, I've been focused on debugging. I enjoyed your live. I learned something. No worries, you have to go. Thanks for joining, Anna Tepes. Ata Nepes, my bad. Not everything else from ever. Diploma. Everything passing exams. Can you use CMD as your phone? Can you use CMD as you can use your phone? I don't know what you mean, but I use Termux on my phone. That one has a lot of stuff. Yo, I'm gonna go live on Instagram. I've never been live on Instagram before. On TechFriend. I got some new followers, so I'm gonna go live on Instagram and tell them we're live on what are we on? Everything else except Instagram, pretty much. Yo, we're live on Insta. Shouts out to Insta. People in TikTok. What are they saying? Mar, shouts out Mar. Shouts out Anit Pez. And the 4 other people. Shouts out Nick. Lost Mage on YouTube, you know. Get in here, guys. At TechFriend on YouTube. At TechFriend on Twitch. At TechFriend on... no, not on Twitter. TikTok. A lot of people on TikTok. Yo, 5Gem, what's good? Is that like 5 Gum? Just playing, bro. We're doing what were we doing? Small developer versus GPT engineer. No, actually, what I'm doing now is can I link Wolverine to small developer? That is a question. Oh, it's Mar on Insta. Yo, what's up, 5Gem? You're already in here. I'm just gonna leave that there. All right. How many phones you got, Mar? Or you just switched apps? Can we link Wolf? Can we get wolverine.py to debug Smol developer? That's it. And GPT Engineer to debug, because neither of them have it. What financial decision are we talking about here? All right, Wolverine to play. Let's do. I already have that actually, but is there? Have they updated it recently? 3 months ago. That's about the same time as I had it, so maybe we should just use that. Let me find it. Wolverine. It's literally just one file, right? I think it is. So we can just like put it here. No? Oh man. Oh man. More snake. Green pie. I think that's all we need. So let me open it. Wolverine. Oh, it does need all those requirements, but it doesn't have a requirement text. What? Oh, it does. Wait, what? I need all those. Set up Python free, pip install. Wolverine Python's buggy script. Let me just try that. I don't know if it'll work. Python and Wolverine, and then what is it called? Snake game. No. Okay. Let's copy the requirements text. Does it have fire? Yes, it does. Make the requirements text. We'll save the requirements text. Okay. Pip install requirements. Hope this works. Have I seen GitHub code spaces? I've definitely heard of it. Can't remember what it is, to be honest. I've definitely heard of it. Pip 3? Python 3? Python? No. Man, I bet you I have a... Aha! Prompt text. Needs a prompt text? Does need a prompt text. You're part of an elite... Oh. I wonder if that's changed. Let's copy the latest prompt. Looks the same. No, I'll copy that one just to make sure. Okay. Okay. I think that worked. Oh, I need the API key, of course. Wait. How? Oh, it's just like Replit. Yeah. What am I working on? I'm trying to get wolverine.py to debug Smol developer stuff. But open API key is a thing. I want to see how I get the API key with. Oh, I don't actually. So what? I need a .env file or something? Yes, I do. Boom. Clear. Remove this. Make this bigger. All right. No module name. Pygame. That's fine. No. Wait. I can't close it. Ah. Pip install requirements. Replit can connect via SSH to Replit or from Replit? Why do I keep what Python version are we running? 3.8? Is that an issue? I don't think so. Why don't we have Pygame as my insta? Oh, it's not in requirements. Because that's more of a Wolverine thing. So it's like we need to bring the project into. Ah, of course, right? I don't know. Okay, that's a proper error. Snake is no attribute Y. Excellent. Let's see if Wolverine can debug for us. Script crash trying to fix. This is the error. We'll see what happens. Oh, it added snake.y. That's perfect. Now it's fixing indentation issues. Wow. That's perfect as well. Another indentation issue. It did this so fast, but it's making this real slow. Should we try GPT Engineer to build Snake now that we have GPT-4 API access? Let's try. Let's try do GPT Engineer again. Whoa, why did that stop here? While that's running as well. I'll do a global search for GPT-3. Okay, does this start with GPT-4? It does. Excellent. I don't even need to change anything. How did we run this again? GPT Engineer. Oh, we made a we make a folder in the projects. And we call it Snake. Can't call it Snake, so we called it SNA. And then in SNA we have a prompt. And the prompt's gonna be like, make a snake game in Python. Python. Yo! Dude, Wolverine actually got it running. That is amazing. So we used Smol Developer to automatically create the boilerplate, but it had heaps of issues. So then I ran Wolverine on the code base and we actually got something to run. it ran without the errors. It fixed every single like indentation issue and like hallucination issue. So yeah, that was amazing. That was Smol. So this is Smol Developers Snake game. We have a snake and we have a score and we have a food, but there's no, you know, animation, no actual game. But still, that was very a cool process. How late is it for you? It's actually the morning here. It's 11 a.m. But I've been streaming for like 3 hours now, so that's why I'm tired from like just talking and formulating and thinking all the time. I'll go for a bit longer, then I'll probably go for lunch. It's 4:07 for you, Nick. Okay. How do you even do it? Do what? Yo, Cyber in the chat. What's up? All right. We're running GPT Engineer here. We're gonna see how GPT Engineer does with my new and improved API, GPT-4 API. And can it make me a snake game in Python? Let's see. Well, that's the stream key. Which one is that? SP. I'm gonna delete this right now. So you guys have like 10 seconds to use this stream key before I delete it. I'll probably delete heaps. I'm gonna go on a API deleting spree. Find a business to impersonate, then Google AWS estimate. Dude. Um, yo, do we have instruct? I'm waiting on GPT 3.5 instruct. All right, where are my keys? Here. SKP7. No, we need a GW4. This. Deleted. Oh no, that was my actual key for this. Wait, did I make it .n file? Oh, I didn't. Oh, okay. Well, whatever. We needed a new key anyway. Oh shit, you see that? Actually, you wouldn't have seen the whole thing. No, fuck it, we'll make a new one. Alright, this time. And this is so dumb. I really need to just make a .n file for this. Dude, I swear every time I try to make a key or something, I end up either doxing it or just like taking ages to do it. It's so annoying. All right. Um, this is dangerous stuff. All right, we're gonna run it this time, and it's gonna work. Okay, is that right? Am I missing anything? No. Oh yes, I am. We're running the wrong command. 1 second. Okay, this is the command. GPT Engineer projects SNA. You should give me access to your computer and I'll input the API key. Yeah, sure. When's my birthday? 2 days after Christmas. Oh shit, I shouldn't have dark side either. Dude, guys, don't hack me. Dude, that shit's like, this the one that's like the worst is the SIM swap one. It's like I need a SIM, but I hate when like apps make you 2FA with your mobile number. That shit's the worst. Shit, like, please don't. 'Cause then it's like all the onus is on one of these telcos, which I just do not trust. No module named OpenAI. Great. Great. No requirements. What's going on? What's going on? Physics. So confused. Fuck out of here, Mar. Okay. Should I just install OpenAI? Still. Ba, 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 ba. Whoops. Gotta delete that. Oh man. I really just want to do this. But wait, this is such a simple issue. What the hell? As if I can't just. Is it because I was running? Wait, hold on. No, that wouldn't make sense either. Do I need it in a conda list? It's probably a conda list. Damn, what? This isn't the same list. It is list. No packages. I want the list the environments. I probably would have just called it this. Okay, that makes sense. Still the same issue. Okay, that's all I needed to do. All right, excellent. All right, here we go. GPT Engineer, trying to build Snake. Should be the size of the game board. Should the snakes move? 50 x 50 tile game board. How should the snake move? Snake moves with arrow keys. Just do west keys. What happens when a snake eats food? Snake gains score when eats food. English good me. What happens when the snake hits a wall? If snake hits wall or self, it dies. User interface. Wow, text-based or graphical? Text-based user interface. That would be cool. No, we'll just use Pygame. Use Pygame because everyone else used Pygame, so it would be fair. We can do the text game base one later. Easy, simple game. Okay. Tech friend, best English speaker, yes. Definitely at the start of the stream, it was a lot better. Not too good this time. Hey, you said when you started, you studied how to search Google. Yes. Is there completely free without? Free trial mode? I didn't. Wait, free trial for what? For Google? It's already free. What should the size of did we already ask that? Answer that? Yeah, we did. Game difficulty. Oh, it's still unclear. Should the game speed increase? Keep game speed. Don't include obstacles. Score is calculated. Score starts at 0, increases by 1 per food eaten by snake. Damn, this is asking a lot of follow-up questions compared to the first time we ran it. GPT-4 is interesting. High score. Should there be a high score feature? No high score feature. No, stop asking all these things. You're not even going to be able to do the small thing. I mean, I want study, but there are website teachers and you have to pay. No, oh, for like coding, study. Use free boot camp, free code camp. This one, and this one seems like the best. All right, it's making code. Let's go, GPT Engineer. What's the URL for Lucas Video Generator? I swear I've like said that already. Well, it was probably someone else. Idomu.ai. Cyber. IDOMOO.ai. Yeah, YouTube is great too for coding projects. But I think it's actually sometimes better to have like text you can copy. I mean, I guess a lot of YouTube videos provide that as well. All right, so we got GPT Engineer to make a snake game. Here. Here. There's a run sh? It made that? There's a readme. Hold on. What's the readme? Is it I've actually wondered like if these bots can make a good readme. Actually, it did say how to run it, so probably hey. That's definitely plus points for a GPT engineer. If it has a good readme, let's see. No, this isn't an actual readme. Let's run that sh. Oh, that's pretty good. That run.sh is excellent. Yeah, Snake from the old Nokia phones, yes. Okay. I'm gonna assume this isn't gonna run the first time. But let's try it out. We'll open a new tab. We'll go cd into project Snake. And we will run. We'll just run the run.sh. Actually, I don't know if we. No. Whoa. My computer lagging out here. Okay. It says one day I'm going to let an AI comment on an entire live and see if anyone notices. Dude, that's definitely a service people would pay for. Just like, You know how people bot their live, but imagine botting their live with bots that actually like chat. I mean, probably people probably do that. Hey. Oh, workspace run.sh. Okay. It's running. Let's see what happens. Give you an hour and the tool is complete. That's pretty good. Should do it. You said you lacked inspiration. That seems pretty motivated if you think you can do it in an hour. Python XD. Python main.py. I have installed Pygame so many times. What? Yo, guys! You see that? Did you see that? I didn't even need to use. No way. Yo, we have a working snake. GPT. No way. Hey, yo, GPT Engineer with GPT-4 made a working snake, guys. No bugs. Literally 0 bugs. Can you imagine that? Yes, dude. It's gonna go S tier. Or at least A tier. Wait a... What? What? No way. Dude, that blew me away. I was not expecting it to work without. Even like a good software developer makes a little mistake, you know, and what? And like has bugs in their code first try. Like first try? First try? Get out of here, GPT Engineer. Give me that tool list, tier list. You are getting a bump up, sir. From C tier. We're gonna put it at A tier here. No, wait, let's think about it. No, it's going S tier. Cause this is like a software engineers, like a SWE perspective. I'll just write it like that. Okay, let's go. GPT Engineer. But you just have to make sure you use GPT-4, I feel. I feel that made a big difference. That is awesome. It quits randomly like 5 seconds in. I don't know why. Oh, it's when you die. I pressed right and it went back into itself. Okay. Make sure not to die this time. There's no like game over message. Oh, I pressed right again. But in some... yeah. This is addicting. Oh, I want to play one more time. I want to get at least 4 foods. 1. Oh, this is tough. Oh, dude, no, that was impossible. Because it only works with GPT-4. Yeah, I mean, so does E2B, but they pay for it. I guess that's why it is better. You think it's more A tier? We'll give it another test. What else could we get it to build? I wish it could extend code. That's definitely a missing piece here. Like an agent that can extend code. I feel like we could modify Wolverine to extend code. That was my next idea. Yeah, we might do that. Okay, that's probably an extreme thing. But I'm going to add it on my to-do list. To modify Wolverine to be able to extend code. towards a goal. Yeah. All right. And now we'll just wrap up this session, yo guys. Thanks so much for joining. Thanks, Nick, for the 17,000 likes. Mar for all the comments, of course. Questions from Atenepez. Thanks, guys, so much. I appreciate it. I'll see you next stream. I'll be still have a lot of videos also to edit and put up on TikTok, so I hope you guys like those. And have a good day, night, morning, wherever you are. Bye-bye. When's next stream? Maximum 2 days. But realistically tomorrow, but if I have energy tonight, I definitely would love to do a stream tonight. But normally I'm pretty tired. I've been sleeping really early. So we'll see. But yeah, maximum 48 hours from now. That's like that's when it'll be. That's when I'll really hate myself if I haven't streamed since then. Bye bye.